Hello YouTube, I'm Joel from Clarkson Performance. Here's a 1999 Powerquest. We just replaced a 7.4 liter MPI engine in. One of the engines went bad. Customer blew it up out on the water, so he brought it to us and we replaced it. Everything checked out, running good. Customer can come pick it up and hopefully enjoy a little bit of boating time before the season ends. Well, that's another successful build from Clarkson Performance. Hope everyone has a good weekend. We'll see you soon.